want to make a video?
Yeah.
Oh, there's Stevie. Okay, you sit right here. So I think we figured it out. So everybody knows about the Nosefrida. Okay, it's an amazing invention, but you will suck your brains out doing all of that. So I'm thinking, like, what can I do? They make an electronic one, but it doesn't work very well. So me being the dad that I am, I bought a small auto wet dry vac, Booger Sucker 2000. Okay, Jackson, don't run away. Come back. We're gonna use you. And then what we did is we took a dollar store pool noodle. We cut a tip off of it. We put the Nosefrida in there, right? And bam, put that on. Stevie, you want to start it up?
Yep.
Start it up. We can do all the boogers. Move your hand. Move your hand. No, I got it. Stevie, we have to show them an example. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! Come on! Let me do it! No, you got it. Stevie, listen.
Yeah.
We have to make a video and show parents around the world that this really works for us, okay? Okay,
Why?
because it's gonna help children and parents all over the world, okay? Okay, I just need your patience, okay? You wanna start it up? Hey, start it up. Hold it, ready? Start it up. Okay, let me see your nose! Let me see. Oh yeah, it's working. Oh, let go. Oh yeah, oh! Let me show you. Ah! Help! Woo! It works. Okay, you gonna help me with Jackson?
Yeah.
Come on, Jackson. You ready to try? Here, hold this for me.
Okay.
We can do this, Jack. This is Jackson. Okay, here, you scoot over a little bit right there. We're gonna put Jackson right here. Okay, Jackson. You see yourself? Say hi, Jackson. Hi, Jackson. Okay, so now we're gonna hold it
We're
on
on the
there.
team.
Yeah, you gonna turn it on, Stevie?
Yeah.
Hold on, Jack. Hold your still. Ready? Turn it on. Okay. Oh, Jackson! Let's get it, Let's go. Oh yeah. Jackson. Just give me a second. Oh my god. Okay, let's take a break.
Okay, let's take a break.
Turn it on for me? Turn it on for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Go. Come on, Jackson! There we go. We got it. It works. Mommy, it works. Yes.
Oh, it works. Oh, it works.
It worked.
And we don't have as much critique.
No, we don't need that part. We just need this part. Pool noodle, Nosefrida, dry wet back. Turn it on, mommy. Let's go. We got snot to get. Whoa! Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Hold up. Okay. Yeah, look at that. We got it. Shut up.
Yeah, booger in his chin.
You do?
Yes.
Here, get it off of there. Wipe it on, mommy. Ah!
Wipe it up.
I love you, mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
No. Don't put it in your mouth. Gross. Come on, let's suck these boogers. Let's get the rest of these. Look at that. It's getting them. Look at that. It's getting them.
Let's get those boogers.
Let's get those boogers.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Give me the boogers. Whew. It works. $30, $1, Nosefrida. How much Nosefrida? $12? Doesn't matter. Whatever we can do to not have to suck our brains out. You're gonna collapse the lung using that shit. You're gonna collapse the lung using the Nosefrida. But it does work. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, or whatever people do online these days. Thank you.